How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you our new inventory module for LiquorBee under our tooling section. So come to our LiquorBee.com homepage, right here, tooling, and at the bottom we've just added inventory module. So I'm going to kind of explain it to y'all. There's a workflow, there's in progress, under review, pending submission, and completed. Basically, there's 3 levels you have to double check before sending it on to completed. So to create a new session right here, top left. So if you wanted to clear out the entire inventory of your store, so you go in on a Sunday, you want to just redo your inventory, right? You can zero everything out and start from fresh. If you wanted to, you start fresh. But if not, you just wanted to add and edit some stuff, don't click that box. Once you hit create, it's going to go right here to in progress, right? So we're starting with this much on this example account. So we have the option to remove first and last character from scan barcode. We do have a scan barcode feature. It's we're still working on it a little bit, but that is there. We also have the option to create a new item. If you wanted to create a new item and add the UPC and SKU, you can. But I find it a lot easier just to kind of search up the items one by one. Just up here is a search bar. So for our actions, we can add or subtract. So say we counted 12 bottles of Tito's, and online on our module it said we have 14. So we would need to subtract. We can subtract 2. All right. You can just go through your store on a Sunday. Just add. Just cleared everything out. If you zeroed everything out, it will just show you nothing. Once I go through, do your whole store, right? Submit. Down here is session options, okay? So you can either abandon it if you wanted to delete it and just say never mind, or we can finalize it. This won't push it through all the way. This is just the first step. We just hit yes, finalize. From there, it's going to shoot down here, okay? And we started with 146, right? And then after we've done all our hypothetical counting, right, this is what we've ended with. So you just click under review, and this shows the 2 things that I just recently added. If it's red right here, see it's not matched, it means it hasn't been matched. But if you unclick only counted items, this will show you everything, right? So you got quantity before, quantity after, basic stuff. If you want to edit your price from here, you could. And this will show your cost of goods, what you bought it for. So you can see your margin from here. I'm only going to show these 2 for now, but say these look good, you go through, check it out. We'll hit finalize changes. So here we have the option to only update items that were counted. And we also have the option to add to existing quantity or to override existing quantity. So if you wanted to just delete quantity for just these 2 and override it, you can, or if you just wanted to add, leave that off. And this is just to only update items that we actually messed with or not. From there, we'll hit yes, finalize, and then it'll go to saved, okay? All right, now we're on workflow number 3. We're on pending submission. This is where if you do it, it'll send completed and it'll update your inventory, right? So this is the last step. So from here, we can hit pending submission. And would you like to mark this as complete? Update items quantity in the session with catalog. So this is saying, you're doing it completely. So once you hit this button, it'll say okay, and boom, it'll be completed. And then from there on, it'll update your inventory. All right, thank you guys for watching.